2 months away from our Colorado Trail through hike. We're going to be going down to Durango and hiking back to Denver. It's going to be really fun. And we thought we'd put together a little video of what day one will be like for our backpacks. All the gear we have and food we're carrying. These are fully loaded for day one. Now that said, let's kind of dig in and take a look at the his and hers of the Mad Hippie's Life backpack situation. This is just a real quick overview of how it comes out of the pack. Try to keep it down to a few items. We like hiking simple, basic, but still meeting all of our needs at the same time. Helps keep things lightweight, easy on the trail, less complicated. We'll go ahead and unpack what we have here and show you. You've probably seen us using our Gossamer Gear Mariposas on trail already. We've been putting them through the test. Really happy with them. Real sturdy pack, still lightweight, lots of room inside. Perfect for all of our needs. It's one of the easiest purchases we made as far as choices went. We kind of narrowed it down to 3 and really just like this one the most out of all of them. Add in that liner from Z-Packs and that thing's bomb-proof and waterproof. And you've already seen us using our Z-Packs tent and the X-Bed pad. The Z-Packs tent is so light yet so roomy. It's really incredible. We were really surprised when we got it and couldn't believe how much room we actually got out of it, especially how lightweight it is. It's almost too good to be true, and then you get it home and you're setting it up and getting inside it, and a couple of times we've been out on trail with it already. We're just really shocked. Couldn't believe how wonderful it really was. And the X-Bed pad is really amazing too, with the dual chambers and the way the air comes and goes out of that. Couldn't be happier with that, especially the R value in the San Juans especially is going to be really nice when we're hiking up high overnight on those high trails. For our clothing, we kind of stuck with brands we already know. If it's not broken, why fix it? Some of it we've replaced, some of it's stuff we've just been using. Bomb-proof, always treated us well on the trail. And sticking with the classic Columbia, pants and a shirt. Wick the moisture and keep the sun off you. Good stuff. The old Mountain Hardwear Ghost Whisperer, ridiculously lightweight. I'm actually shocked that it even works, but it does. Anything above 30-32 degrees and I gotta take that thing off. It's just too hot. Cheap and lightweight Frog Tog rain gear. Can't go wrong with that stuff. Nothing special about it. It just keeps the rain off you and keeps you dry, and that's what it should do. Outdoor research wind and rain gloves. Nothing special there either. Just keeps the wind and rain off you. Socks, kind of a combo, Darn Tough and Smart Wool. Ex Officio boxers. Nice Smart Wool beanie. Shoes, Ultras, Lone Peaks. Been using those for the past several months, really been enjoying them. There's something new we haven't had before is using these gaiters from Dirty Girl. They're actually kind of fun. Real colorful. Keeping all the sand and gravel and grit out of your shoes, really important, I think, on a really long trip like this. So we got a chance to use them a couple times and they work really well. So clean feet are happy feet. And for the base layer, Smart Wool, can't go wrong there. Keeping things simple and basic spills right over into our food and water. Pretty easy stuff here. If you need any water carries or extended water usage or around camp, the Noc Vecto bags are perfect. You just can't go wrong. So easy to use, easy to fill, easy to push the water through our Sawyer squeeze. Just makes things so easy and simple. During the day, be using smart water bottles. Not a big deal. Everybody likes them. Easy to use, easy to keep clean. All we're gonna do is boil water and rehydrate. Simple enough. Got lots of options. MSR pocket rocket stove, MSR fuel. Tried and tested on the trail for years and years now. Nothing wrong with that thing. We'll just keep using it. A couple of Sea to Summit sporks. And then of course our Snow Peak pot there, made of titanium. Can't break it. Heats up fast, does the job. That's how we like it. Simple, easy. More time hiking and resting. And last but not least, in my pack, all the electronic goodies. Nothing like the modern age, right? We got a battery chargers for both the Canon camera and the GoPro, which we're using to film this. We have a couple external hard drives there to move the memory off the cameras every time we go into town and clean up all our memory so we can keep shooting more. A Garmin InReach, can't go wrong there. You gotta be safe out there. It also allows us to text back and forth. That really helps us on the trail, leaves us feeling safe and helping others know where we're at. There's the Samsung Galaxy phone, bear spray, not just for bears, black diamond headlamp, core of our power on the trail, Anchor brick, 26.8 on that. It's a booger. It's a big one. And a few other odds and ends here and there, but that's pretty much the bulk of it. You put everything in my pack all together, day one, food, water, everything else, I'm running about 25 pounds, and as each day goes by, I'll be getting lighter and lighter until we resupply and back up to probably 20-25 pounds again. And on to Debbie's pack, another Gossamer Gear Mariposa, a little smaller version, and the same concept. Keep it simple, keep it basic. Let's find out what she's got inside. And she went with the Arc'teryx jacket. Again, really lightweight, super lightweight. You almost don't think it could even really work or help, but like the one I'm using, you know, anything above 30-32 degrees, you gotta take it off. It just gets really hot. Some camp shoes or water crossings, Crocs, lightweight, easy to use. They are what they are. Frog Togs rain gear, cheap, lightweight, does the job. Six Moon design, it's the mini umbrella. It's a new product. Ultra lightweight, very compact. North Face gloves with the outdoor research liners to keep the rain and wind out. Dirty Girl gaiters. Ultra Lone Peaks. She's going to be using the sun gloves to keep the burning effects of the Colorado sun off her hands. Smart choice. Base layer, smart wool again. Ex Officio briefs. Darn tough and smart wool socks. And the Buff, which is a multi-use tool to go around your neck, over your head, over your ears. You can use it as just about anything to keep your head and neck warm. Great product. And the food department, pretty much the same. Hop sack, lock sack. And at this time, we'll be carrying Mia's food and our snacks for the day. I also have the camp towel we picked up at REI. Mia's food and water bowls. Our coffee and tea cup. And smart water. Of course, you could call it the elephant in the room. Our Enlightened Equipment quilt. Super lightweight, super warm. Takes up a lot of room in the pack. Even when you try to compress it down, it just wants to expand. We're really thrilled to be using this product. Had it out a couple of times. It is really comfortable, really warm. Something we never thought we'd use, but we're going to use this one. And last but not least, our bag with all our personal hygiene products, safety items, the unmentionables. Our deuce of spades trowel. Kind of a little bag there with any kind of products we need to repair on trail. First aid kit. Galaxy phone from Samsung. Another black diamond headlamp. Bear spray, which is definitely not just for bears. And just our toiletries and whatnot. A fully loaded day one. Debbie's running 15 pounds tops. And then of course you got to add in Mia when she's not walking and in her pack. She could add another 8 pounds. So Debbie could be anywhere 15 to 20-ish pounds on any given day after we resupply in day one. But we know Mia. She wants down. She loves hitting the trail. So Debbie gets to drop off that 8 pounds real quick. So there you have it. Day one gear explosion. Somehow all this stuff has to go back into those 2 backpacks. And somehow or another we got to carry it almost 500 miles back to Denver. Sounds like a plan. Can't wait to get out there on the trail. Can't wait to share with you guys.